For lesson 12.7, we are talking about being able to take apart two-dimensional shapes. The difference between yesterday's lesson and today's, these ones are real two-dimensional shapes. The other ones were using pattern blocks to create brand new shapes that didn't have names or anything. So for the first one, number 1 says show two trapezoids, and they need to draw a line to show the different parts. So if you were to draw two trapezoids, you would cut it in half. You have a smaller trapezoid on top, and on bottom is your other trapezoid. Same thing on number 2. It wants you to show two triangles. That would be cutting it in half. On a diagonal to see two triangles. Number 3 says show one square and one rectangle. So we want to cut it over here on the side so we have a square. Remember, squares all four sides have to be equal, and a rectangle. And number 4, we're showing a trapezoid and a triangle. At the bottom of the homework, it says how many triangles are there. This was really tricky for the students today in class. They did it with squares. They want to look at this and say, well, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, and just put 4. But what we're talking about is how those triangles can compose a new shape. All 4 of those triangles put together makes one large triangle. So there is actually 5 triangles. On the back side of the homework, the first one says, look at the picture, what are the two parts? So if we cut the square in half on a diagonal, we would be able to see the two parts a square is made of. If we decompose it, is two triangles. At the bottom, on the spiral review, number 2 is working with a picture graph. How many children choose soccer? If we look straight across on soccer, we would see that 2 children choose it. And number 3 says, which new shape can you make? So if we were to combine this tower and this tower together, we would make the first shape with all those cubes.